Hello my friends and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. The Earth-to-Earth research project by ZHAW and USI explores sustainable construction through digital fabrication, tackling one of the most polluting aspects of modern architecture. This initiative focuses on designing and building a fully functional exterior staircase made entirely from earthen materials. It starts with the formulation and mixing of a specialized earth-based concrete, such as Cleancrete copyright from ETH spin-off Oxera. A critical innovation lies in the use of ultra-thin, 3D printed earthen formwork, which enables precise shaping with minimal material usage. Once printed and cured, the formwork supports the casting and installation of the staircase. The resulting structure acts as both a prototype and a symbol for a new construction typology that prioritizes environmental responsibility. Through this work, the project highlights how architects and engineers can lead the shift toward regenerative building systems, fostering a more sustainable and low-impact built environment. Facade Click is a precision-engineered facade system that revolutionizes traditional masonry by enabling dry assembly of facing bricks. Instead of using mortar, bricks are clicked into position with a patented interlocking connector, then mechanically fixed to the load-bearing inner wall using cavity ties. This method ensures clean, aligned, and rapid installation, achieving speeds up to 7 times faster than conventional bricklaying. The system retains the appearance and structural behavior of a traditional cavity wall, while eliminating wet trades, reducing labor, and minimizing construction delays. Facade Click merges tradition with innovation, offering contractors and developers a cost-effective, sustainable, and high-performance solution for contemporary building envelopes. The Road Printer Eco, combined with the innovative Z-Tricide transport system by Van Gelder and Klaas Kuken BV, streamlines repaving operations in residential areas. Stacked stones from the broken pavement are directly loaded into a hopper, then transported by conveyor belt to the paving machine. This eliminates the need for heavy transport through neighborhoods and avoids damage to newly laid streets. Fully electric operation ensures quiet, emission-free performance, enhancing safety and sustainability on urban construction sites. At the Barlby Road development, Premcrete's VoidTech protection system is being deployed as a 3-in-1 solution for waterproofing, gas protection, and structural void former. On this tight RC basement site, traditional systems would have required storage for over 40 pallets, but VoidTech meets the same need with just 6 compact pallets, drastically improving material logistics. The lightweight, foldable panels expand from 35 mm to 190 mm on site, offering a robust, easy-to-handle solution that reduces wastage, eliminates unnecessary skips, and maintains free working space at ground level. Contractors appreciate its space efficiency and simple deployment. The new Elevator system in Teolo demonstrates an advanced solution for creating ventilated and structurally sound raised floors. This innovative system uses modular polypropylene elements to form a permanent formwork for pouring reinforced concrete. Installation begins with preparing the subgrade, followed by placing plastic bases that determine the final slab height. The cavity is ideal for reducing moisture buildup, facilitating drainage, and allowing the passage of pipes or cables. The result is a durable, ventilated, and easily maintainable floor system that suits both residential and commercial applications. In Taolo, this system enables fast construction while meeting modern requirements for thermal insulation, moisture control, and structural efficiency. Vertical tubes are inserted to support a grid of dome-shaped formers, which create a hollow cavity beneath the concrete surface. Concrete is poured over the assembled structure, forming a load-bearing slab while allowing airflow and surface integration below. To use the Tasmatic ground covering mold, first prepare a flat and firm surface. Place the mold on the leveled ground. Fill each cavity with mortar, then use a trowel to remove the excess and smooth the surface. Position the mold as desired, each corner fits together precisely. Allow the mortar to set for 24 hours. Water the surface regularly for 5 to 7 days for durability. Clean the mold with water after use. Light steel frame house construction starts with anchoring the base track to the concrete foundation. Vertical steel studs are then installed, followed by horizontal bracing and roof trusses to form a rigid framework. Screws are used to secure all joints. Wooden panels and weather membranes are attached for structural support and moisture protection. The roof is finished with metal sheets, ensuring durability. Windows are inserted into pre-cut openings, sealed for insulation. Final steps include painting and interior finishes. This method ensures high precision, earthquake resistance, and fast construction time using lightweight, sustainable materials. The 8 meters electric bumper hoist from Weller's Hire is a fast, efficient material hoist ideal for roofing and construction. Designed by Mace Industries, the bumper can be unloaded and fully operational within 4 minutes. It lifts up to 1,000 tiles onto a roof in under 25 minutes, significantly boosting productivity. The powered reverse function allows for quick removal of salvage directly from the roof. Simple to operate. The electric model requires only a 5 kV transformer. Just unfold, plug in, and start loading. Perfect for rapid, high-volume lifting, the bumper is a proven game changer in material handling. Anob functions like wooden blocks assembled in a Lego-style system. Each block is precisely shaped to interlock without mortar, allowing for quick, tool-free installation. The blocks fit together snugly, ensuring stability and strength. This intuitive stacking method speeds up construction while maintaining structural integrity and design flexibility. Capitect Magic Fine Agak Daku is a white cement-based, lightweight fiber-reinforced topcoat designed for both interior and exterior surfaces, forming a natural wood-like texture. The process gets underway by applying masking tape or spacers to the wall to define clean pattern lines. A trowel is then used to apply adhesive mortar evenly across the prepared wall surface. A textured roller is rolled over the fresh material to imprint a realistic scabrous pattern. A steel trowel or float is used to refine and detail the texture for added depth. Once partially set, the tape is carefully removed to reveal defined grout-like joints or simulated plank outlines. Finally, the entire surface is painted to enhance the effect and protect the coating. This method delivers a decorative, durable, and visually appealing wall finish with the charm of scabrous pattern. Transforming a worn, muddy driveway into an elegant, durable pebble surface is simple with Pebble Lock permeable pavers. Begin by removing vegetation and excavating 100 to 200 millimeters deep until you reach firm ground. Next, lay geotextile fabric, such as Suretex, to separate the soil from the base course and prevent sinking. Secure it with 130 mm weed mat pins. Then, spread and compact a gap 20 road base layer for structure, followed by a 10 mm bedding layer of crusher dust or sharp sand, which doesn't need compaction. Install Pebble Lock pavers from left to right, snapping them together using built-in clips. Avoid stepping on the bedding. Stand on installed pavers instead. Trim to fit around edges and anchor with paver pins. Finally, fill the pavers with 8 to 14 mm pebbles, ensuring they rise 10 to 15 mm above the grid. The result is an attractive, drive-ready surface, requiring only light sweeping or raking to maintain its pristine look. The road printer is an innovative bricklaying machine designed to simplify and accelerate road construction. It is available in divisible widths of 4, 5, and 6 meters, enabling seamless paving with integrated edge finishing in a single pass. This machine can lay bricks across a road surface up to 6 meters wide, with the flexibility to adjust the paving width from as narrow as 1 meter up to its maximum span. The Road Printer Eco is a 100% electric paving machine powered by Mastervolt Li-ion Ultra batteries. It offers silent, emission-free operation, precise motor control, reduced maintenance, and modular width adjustment. Ideal for sustainable urban paving, it eliminates fuel use and supports government-backed green subsidies. Resin-bound surfacing is a modern, highly durable solution for driveways, offering both aesthetic appeal and technical performance. Fully permeable and SUDS compliant, this system allows water to drain efficiently through its aggregate resin blend, reducing surface water runoff and easing pressure on drainage systems. At VUBA, preparation involves removing unstable paving and replacing it with a sub-base and permeable grid such as the VUBA cellular system. During installation, specially selected aggregates are mixed on-site with high-performance resin and applied by hand for a seamless finish. Ideal for overlaying concrete or tarmac, resin-bound surfacing is low maintenance, weed-resistant, and available in a wide range of colors. In reinforced retaining wall construction using vegetated retaining wall blocks, the blocks are typically transported and positioned using an excavator. Due to their size and weight, the blocks are delivered to the site on pallets and then lifted individually with the excavator's bucket or lifting hook. Operators carefully maneuver each block into place, ensuring proper alignment and interlocking. This mechanized handling significantly reduces labor intensity and improves installation speed. The excavator may also assist in spreading and compacting backfill material between geogrid layers, making it a critical piece of equipment throughout the entire construction process. Installing a composite fence is a systematic and efficient process that ensures long-term durability and a clean aesthetic. Begin by marking the fence line and accurately positioning the locations for each post using string and measuring tools. Dig holes approximately 50 centimeters deep and set the first post with ready-mix concrete. Use a level to ensure the post is perfectly vertical before the concrete sets. Next, slide the concrete base plate and bottom rail into the groove of the first post. This assembly determines the placement of the second post, which should be fixed in the same way using concrete. Once the posts and base are secure, begin stacking the composite boards. Insert the slats one by one, starting from the bottom. For every 3 slats, insert a reinforcement bar to provide extra structural strength, which is essential as composite materials can expand slightly over time. Continue this process until the desired height is achieved, then install the top rail for added stability and a finished look. Repeat the same procedure for each section of the fence. To complete the installation, attach post caps for protection and visual appeal. This method offers a fast, clean, and sustainable fencing solution with minimal maintenance requirements. The structural erection of the sustainable residential steel building began with the precise placement of prefabricated steel columns and beams. These members were nut and bolt assembled on site, forming the primary load-bearing skeleton within 2 working days. Once the steel frame was secured, profiled metal deck sheets were laid floor by floor to act as both permanent formwork and tensile reinforcement. Following this, slab reinforcement was positioned, comprising high-strength steel rebar grids aligned according to structural specifications. With reinforcement in place, concreting was carried out using a controlled pour to ensure full compaction and bonding between the concrete and the decking sheets. All 3 floor slabs were completed in a single day using rapid-set concrete and high-efficiency pumping systems. This composite construction method ensures structural rigidity, minimizes formwork requirements, and significantly reduces construction time and material wastage. The SlimFix Reno Pro renovation boards are installed on a prepared roof using one of 2 methods. First, a shear batten 44 by 69 mm with drainage tape is fixed. In option 1, full-size elements are laid from left to right, bottom to top. Boards are clicked into place from top to bottom, then secured with battens and screws. A hot wire cutter is used to trim elements if needed. Option 2 allows custom cut elements, with optional additional battens, Roofing should follow immediately after installation. The Thermosolio Carbon ED system is a modular thermal flooring kit designed for fast, efficient construction. The process begins with the assembly and installation of the lightweight EPS, expanded polystyrene carbon panels, which offer high thermal insulation and reduce structural loads. The panels are laid out in sequence, forming the base for the slab system. Once in place, reinforcement bars are added according to design specifications. After inspection, the concrete is poured directly over the EPS panels, ensuring solid bonding and strength. The result is a durable, energy-efficient slab ideal for residential or commercial applications. At Baptist Hospital, a 600,000 square foot, 10-story healthcare facility, prefabrication has played a transformative role in achieving sustainable, efficient construction. By using precast, pre-glazed panels, much of the facade work is completed off-site, drastically reducing on-site labor time by over 4 months. This method improves quality control, accelerates the building dry-in process, and enhances workplace safety. Manufactured 85 miles away, the panels arrive ready for installation, allowing rapid skin closure and roofing. The repetitive design of window modules optimizes efficiency, both in production and assembly. The success reflects excellent early planning, strong team coordination, and sustainable design execution. Duracol noise barrier systems by layer offer an efficient and environmentally friendly solution for controlling noise along roads and railways. These barriers are known for their excellent thermal and acoustic insulation, low volumetric weight, and ease of installation. The construction process begins with ground drilling, followed by the insertion of circular steel reinforcement cages. Concrete is then poured into the boreholes to form the supporting foundations. Afterward, steel form piles are driven into place to secure the structure. Using a crane, the Duracol noise panels are lifted and installed sequentially, stacking one atop another with high precision. These panels are made from a mixture of wood wool and cement, offering both durability and high sound absorption. The lightweight nature of the panel simplifies transport and speeds up assembly on site. Available in a variety of textures, patterns, and colors, Duracol barriers can be tailored to meet aesthetic and functional requirements. With minimal maintenance needed over their service life, these noise barriers provide a long-term, cost-effective solution for infrastructure projects. Their modular design and fast installation process reduce disruption during construction while ensuring optimal performance against noise pollution. The ECOMURET is a modular dry stone wall solution crafted in France using natural sandstone from Burgundy. Designed to replicate traditional vineyard walls, this product enables faster, more economical installation compared to hand-laid dry stone techniques. Each module is factory assembled with carefully selected and sized stones, offering consistent quality and durability. Its dimensions and finish make it ideal for various applications, such as property divisions, urban furniture, or delineating parking spaces. With installation rates reaching up to 10 meters per hour, ECOMURET significantly reduces on-site labor time. It serves as a refined alternative to gabion walls, offering the aesthetic of traditional stone with modern construction efficiency. The GERTECSBM-8 foamed concrete mixing plant is designed for the continuous production of lightweight cellular concrete. Equipped with an integrated foam generator, compressed air supply, and water booster, it ensures reliable performance. Its advanced mixing system produces consistent, high-quality foamed concrete using a colloidally prepared cement slurry and fine-pour foam. The result is ultra-lightweight concrete with excellent homogeneity and reproducibility. Ideal for CLC applications, the SBM-8 supports efficient, on-site production of foamed concrete for modern construction needs. Graph UK recently completed a stormwater attenuation tank installation using EcoBlock Max crates for MV Kelly. The project involved constructing an underground tank with a total capacity of nearly 300 cubic meters. EcoBlock Max crates were selected for their high load-bearing strength, modularity, and ease of installation. The installation process included preparing a level foundation, assembling the interlocking crates, and wrapping the structure with a waterproof membrane to ensure containment. Once completed, the tank was covered with backfill material, ready for surface reinstatement. This system offers a sustainable solution for managing excess rainwater and preventing surface flooding in urban developments. The installation of the Thermosolio ED system involves a meticulous and efficient process to ensure structural integrity and thermal performance. It begins with the preparation of the assembly plane, followed by profiling the pignot blocks to allow for intermediate beam breaks. Metal profiles are then inserted, and final pignot units are cut for completion. Temporary supports are placed under spans up to 150 centimeters. Omega stirrups are positioned to hold reinforcement bars, then the lower reinforcement bars for each joist are placed and securely tied. The upper joist reinforcements are then positioned. Next, the electro-welded mesh is laid over the surface for load distribution. All upper reinforcement bars are tied in place to prevent displacement during the concrete pour. The system is completed with a traditional concrete casting operation. Concrete is poured while vibrating the beams and joists to eliminate air pockets and ensure full compaction. This method guarantees a monolithic structure with enhanced thermal efficiency and mechanical resistance, ideal for modern floor slab systems with integrated insulation and minimal thermal bridging. Balconies are no longer just architectural afterthoughts. They're becoming fast, efficient, and sustainable design solutions. At Green Park, Reading Sapphire Balconies demonstrates an advanced off-site construction method that maximizes technical efficiency. All balconies are pre-manufactured in a controlled environment and delivered double-stacked with lifting slings pre-attached, enabling rapid on-site installation. Cast-in anchors are installed with minimal facade penetration, reducing thermal bridging and ensuring energy efficiency through integrated thermal breaks. The lightweight aluminum construction allows for flexibility in design without compromising structural integrity. With the glide-on cassette system, installation rates reach up to 20 balconies per day, 5 times faster than traditional methods. Sapphire also offers specialized connection systems for precast facades, CLT structures, and tie rod assemblies. Grip Block engineered a massive Earthen 360 degrees exhibit for Nuit Blanche, Toronto, constructing a 32-foot diameter, 11-foot high circular structure using nearly 1,000 precision-milled interlocking blocks. The tool-free modular G-rip block system ensured rapid assembly, structural strength, and full reusability, demonstrating sustainable and innovative timber construction for large-scale cultural installations. Booster Hybrid Roof is a high-performance breathable underlay with built-in thermal insulation. To install, unroll the membrane with the copper side facing down and the black breathable layer facing up. Staple it to the first rafter, roll it out, pull taut, and secure it to each rafter at 100 mm intervals. At the eaves, overlap the underlay using the integrated self-adhesive strip to ensure a watertight seal and reduce air infiltration. Align counter battens with rafters before adding tile battens. For successive layers, overlap by 100 mm and use the built-in adhesive tape. Vertical joints should be sealed with Actis tape for optimal performance. FP Maccan's Precast concrete construction method integrates structural precision with rapid, on-site assembly. Wall panels are manufactured off-site as sandwich elements, featuring a structural concrete inner leaf, rigid insulation, and a pre-finished exterior face, all joined using high-strength connectors. These panels arrive pre-fitted with openings and service conduits, eliminating secondary trades. Installation begins by craning panels directly into place without temporary supports. Floors are formed using full-span solid slabs or hollow core planks, which act as diaphragms transferring lateral loads to cross walls and foundations. Vertical and horizontal ties ensure monolithic structural performance. The system minimizes material waste, reduces labor requirements, and improves site safety. Its high fire resistance and thermal mass deliver excellent performance in both energy efficiency and occupant comfort. Ideal for high-density housing, institutional and commercial builds, this solution meets modern demands for speed, sustainability, and durability. Hybris is a lightweight insulation material featuring a honeycomb structure ideal for pitched roofs. To install, first measure the gap between rafters and mark the Hybris panel 5 to 10 mm wider for a snug fit. Cut the panel using an insulation saw, hand saw, or sharp knife. Open the packaging easily with an Actis cutter. Unfold the panel by pulling each side, copper face outwards. Insert the insulation tightly between rafters, ensuring a secure and seamless fit. Repeat with the remaining panels for full coverage. The world's first digital twin of a cement plant has been launched at Holcim's Siggenthal site in Switzerland. This Industry 4.0 breakthrough uses Clarity, a 3D platform that mirrors the entire facility in real time, enabling predictive maintenance and remote collaboration. By centralizing all maintenance data into one system, Clarity enhances efficiency, eliminates siloed data, and reduces carbon dioxide emissions. The ultra-high-resolution 3D model was created in just 10 weeks, allowing seamless planning and execution of maintenance tasks. This pilot project will expand across Holcim's European plants, aiming to make Clarity and SAP the company's core maintenance platforms. At the site, Landolt rapidly assembled the slender precast concrete elements into a stable load-bearing structure. The blocks were precisely joined and concrete was applied into the joints to ensure seamless bonding and structural integrity, highlighting efficient and precise modern construction techniques. The installation of Venetian glass bricks begins with mortar preparation. 750 ml weldcrete, 2,950 milliliters water, and 20 kilograms Mortex are mixed. Weldcrete is brushed onto the mortar side of each cleaned brick to enhance adhesion, as glass bricks do not absorb water. Bricks are laid in a stretcher bond pattern, unless structural engineering permits stack bonding. During installation, fresh mortar splashes must be promptly removed with clean water to prevent staining or residue on the brick surface. KNAUF Rolled 12 is an acoustic ceiling panel featuring perforated plasterboard with trapezoidal oak finish slats and a white backing. Installation uses a concealed grid system with primary 60/27 and secondary 24 profiles. Hangers are placed every 80 centimeters, and profiles are spaced at max 120 centimeters, starting 20 centimeters from the wall. Panels are carefully lifted, inserted by the slat side, and locked into the secondary profiles. Optional linear luminaires can be integrated using support accessories and a simple click-in system. The result is a clean, high-performance acoustic ceiling with integrated lighting. Mounting Lausanne acoustic panels from Noyex is a precise yet straightforward process. Begin by measuring the wall width and planning the layout. Use tools such as a jigsaw, fine cutter, drill, utility knife, and sanding block. Cut each panel to size and sand the edges for a smooth finish. Clean the panel surface before mounting. Pre-drill and insert up to 15 screws per panel for secure installation. For socket openings, measure carefully and cut with a jigsaw and utility knife. Use strong adhesive to glue panels to the wall. Finish by applying decorative trims with glue, and trim the final panel neatly with a sharp knife for a professional result. Sika Roof Multi-Tape is a versatile, self-adhered sealing tape ideal for refurbishing corrugated metal roofs and ceiling surfaces like concrete, plaster, plywood, OSB, and bitumen. It offers high-tack, long-term adhesion, and features a UV-resistant PP membrane with a finger lift release liner for easy handling. The tape is simple to apply with instant adhesion. For repairs, surfaces are cleaned using Sika Roof Cleaning Agent before applying the tape. It's also effective for waterproofing overlaps on FPO membranes, where hot air welding ensures a secure seal. Compatible with Sarnabar and Sarnafill components, it forms a durable, weatherproof roofing system. SmartOp Polymer Mortar is a high-performance, cement-free adhesive developed for precise and efficient masonry work. Ideal for installing bricks, blocks, tiles, and mosaics, it offers superior compressive and flexural strength compared to traditional mortars. With strong substrate adhesion, it ensures fast, uniform block laying and reduces render thickness. 1 kilogram replaces up to 20 kilograms of conventional mortar, lowering material use and labor. The product ensures a cleaner site, faster execution, and is environmentally sustainable. The build and lift method involves elevating a pre-assembled house roof into position using hydraulic jacks. The roof is constructed at ground level, ensuring safer, more efficient assembly. Once complete, it is carefully lifted and secured onto the building's supporting walls. This technique reduces work at height, minimizes construction time, and enhances accuracy during installation, ideal for modular or renovation projects requiring minimal disruption on site. In October 2020, the build and lift method showcased remarkable efficiency, with a full roof structure assembled directly on the ground in a nearby field. This innovative approach minimized work at height, and significantly improved site safety. Once completed, the entire roof was lifted and precisely placed onto the supporting walls of the house using cranes. The process drastically cut down construction time, allowing the main structure to take shape in a single day. By utilizing build and lift systems, contractors reduce labor costs, enhance safety protocols, and achieve faster project turnaround, an ideal solution for rapid residential development with minimal site disruption. Porotherm Pro-Fi ground bricks are laid using Porotherm thin joint mortar for faster, cleaner wall construction. Surface flatness is checked, mortar is applied with a roller, and bricks are positioned precisely. This innovative system offers up to 35% faster work, reduced material use, and improved thermal comfort. HOEN-SOEY cells are advanced geocellular modules designed for efficient stormwater management and shallow rainwater drainage. Engineered with ultra-high compressive strength and a patented multi-lock buckle system, they ensure structural stability under heavy loads, ideal for sidewalks, roadways, rooftops, and low-profile terrain. Each unit features 95% internal void space, enabling high-capacity water retention and dispersion without the need for traditional piping. The modular design allows for rapid, tool-free installation modules simply snap together using foot pressure or a rubber mallet. With vertical stacking capabilities of up to 20 layers and integrated trimming components, HOEN-SOEY cells adapt easily to complex site layouts and varying elevations. Pre-assembly offsite accelerates installation while maintaining precision. Available in standardized lengths, widths, heights, and adjustable angles, HOEN-SOEY cells offer unmatched flexibility. This innovative system combines load-bearing durability with easy handling, making it a reliable, scalable, and sustainable solution for modern drainage infrastructure. The installation of Pasinato EasyStone flooring begins with essential safety precautions. All people should wear appropriate personal protective equipment and ensure that the necessary tools and materials are readily available. The substrate must be a reinforced concrete slab. Above this base, an 8 to 10 cm space should be reserved for the product layers. Unpack the tiles and inspect their quality before installation. To ensure a natural aesthetic, mix pieces from different boxes to blend tonal variations. Define the required slope, ensuring a minimum pitch of 2%, and use a nylon string as a reference guide to maintain alignment. Prepare the bedding mortar using a 1-to-3 mix of cement and medium sand. Apply this mix to the surface and level it uniformly. Begin laying the EasyStone tiles from one corner, keeping a consistent 1 cm joint between pieces. Use a wooden compactor, straight edge, and rubber mallet to properly align and embed the tiles. If any adjustments are needed, trim pieces using shears or a tile cutter. Continue the process until the entire area is covered. Wait 12 to 24 hours before beginning the grouting. Use a more fluid 1 to 2.5 mix of cement and sand. Moisten the tile surface, apply the grout, and spread it using a rubber squeegee. Cleaning should begin 15 to 20 minutes after grouting to avoid surface stains. The grout should be left 2 mm below the tile surface for optimal appearance. Once cured, apply a waterproofing sealant with a brush or roller to enhance protection. This meticulous process ensures a long-lasting, durable, and visually appealing Passato easy stone installation that combines elegance with technical performance for residential and commercial applications. Sika Quick Patch is a high-performance, fast-setting repair mortar designed for patching concrete surfaces both indoors and outdoors. Ideal for driveways, patios, sidewalks, and basements, it offers rapid curing and increased bond strength. The mix-in-the-pouch design simplifies application. Just knead for 20 seconds. To prepare, ensure the surface is SSD, saturated surface dry, then use a wire brush to clean and apply with a flat trowel. The product sets in just 5 to 10 minutes depending on temperature, minimizing downtime. Sika Quick Patch is a durable, easy-to-use solution that delivers strong, lasting concrete repairs with minimal effort. The Metrodec system is a fully integrated precast concrete solution, combining structural floor and ceiling slabs with continuous insulated wall panels. Ideal for multifamily, hospitality, and commercial buildings, Metrodec offers long, clear spans, high load capacity, superior fire resistance, and excellent acoustic and thermal performance. Each unit, typically 12 feet wide, features high-performance insulation within the voids and can be customized in depth and finish. The system supports integrated balconies and rooftop features, reducing trade overlap and accelerating construction schedules. Precast under factory-controlled conditions, Metrodec ensures consistent quality, minimizes on-site labor, and delivers durable, resilient structures with reduced overall project costs. The 275mm Dincel structural wall system offers a revolutionary alternative to conventional concrete walls. Designed for rapid high-rise construction, it features a patented waterproof joint and internal ring form that enables high-flow concrete pours up to 4.5 meters in one go. Independently tested by UTS, the unreinforced walls withstand early backfill just 24 hours after a 5 megapascals pour. Dincel 275 is BCA compliant, steel-free, and ideal for retaining walls, tanks, culverts, and multi-story buildings. Alucobond EasyFix is a technically advanced cladding system engineered for efficient installation in Type 5 wood frame construction. Its proprietary attachment mechanism secures Alucobond Plus panels with precision, minimizing labor time and ensuring structural integrity. Off-site fabrication by certified professionals allows for rapid on-site assembly using standardized EasyFix fastening methods. The system supports variable panel dimensions and customizable horizontal or vertical layouts. With 89 standard finishes and nearly unlimited color options, Alucobond EasyFix delivers performance, versatility, and architectural freedom for multifamily and mixed-use projects. ARROWLIFT Fail-Safe House Lifting Systems presents a breakthrough in structural elevation technology, addressing challenges from floods, foundation failures, and densified housing. The engineered steel ARROWLIFT system offers a clear span workspace beneath structures for construction or relocation. A typical setup includes 4 lifting towers, 60-foot primary beams, and 30-ton secondary beams, scalable for larger loads. Towers sit outside the structure's perimeter, providing stability via a dual-drive threaded actuator system with 20-ton capacity per tower and a lift height of 17 feet. This eliminates live loads during lifting. In this metal roofing installation process for a gable roof, 2 workers coordinate efficiently to lift and secure the sheets. First, each metal sheet is tied securely with a rope. The worker positioned on the roof pulls the sheet upward carefully, using steady force to prevent bending or damage. Meanwhile, the person on the ground holds and guides the sheet to keep it aligned and avoid contact with walls, scaffolding, or other structures. Once the sheet reaches the roof edge, the top worker aligns it precisely according to pre-marked reference lines, ensuring consistent overhang and slope. The ground worker continues to stabilize the sheet against wind and unwanted shifting during this stage. After final positioning, the roofer on top uses a power drill to fix the sheet to the underlying steel purlins. Self-tapping screws with rubber washers are applied at designated points, typically in the lower valleys of the sheet, to guarantee watertight sealing and firm anchorage. The screws are spaced evenly for structural integrity and to accommodate thermal expansion. This teamwork approach ensures the metal roofing is installed quickly, securely, and with minimal equipment, ideal for small crews and limited site access. Earthen Iceatma styropor is an ideal insulation material specifically designed for underfloor heating systems. Earthen Iceatma styropor panels are installed on a clean, level subfloor by interlocking the tongue and groove edges. Heating pipes are then pressed into the molded channels between the raised knobs, which hold them firmly in place. The design ensures equal spacing and prevents pipe movement. Thanks to their closed cell structure, they do not absorb water and possess excellent shock absorption properties. These panels are hygienic, as they do not support bacterial growth. The wide knobbed studs on the surface securely hold the heating pipes in place, preventing displacement during installation or screed pouring. The preformed pipe channels facilitate uniform spacing of hot water pipes, simplifying layout and enhancing system efficiency. The interlocking tongue and groove edges ensure that the panels form a stable, continuous layer across the floor. This prevents the pipes from shifting to one side when the screed is applied. The panels are made from high-density material, providing superior compressive strength and resistance to mechanical damage. It offers a practical and cost-effective solution for professional underfloor heating installations. With easy handling, fast installation, and outstanding performance, it contributes to energy efficiency, structural stability, and long-term comfort. Timber HP wood fiber loose fill insulation is a high-performance thermal and acoustic solution designed for attics and framed wall cavities. Manufactured from refined softwood chips, the material is processed using steam treatment and blended with borate-based fire retardants. The result is a Class A fire-rated, mold, and pest-resistant insulation material. Its dense packing characteristics ensure minimal settling and stable long-term R values. The fiber's geometry optimizes coverage while reducing dust generation during installation. Compatible with standard blowing machines, Timber HP insulation offers efficient application, enhanced indoor air quality, and contributes to energy efficiency. It is fully recyclable and carbon negative, supporting sustainable construction with consistent thermal regulation and structural compatibility.